The next topic is types of chemical reaction. If, as I told you now, if there is a chemical reaction is happening, what all reactants we have added, based on that only we get the product. In between we won't get any extra mixtures. There is no addition or deletion of atoms in the product side. The chemical reaction always involves the breaking of some bonds and making of some bonds in order to get a new substance that is called as product. There are many types of chemical reactions. Among them, we are going to study few of them. First one is a combination reaction. It is also called as a synthesis reaction. Combination, as the name suggests, that combining, when we combine two things, we get a new substance, that is product. Similarly, if a rim is directly attached to a car, then we get a rough ride. Likewise, if we combine both the rim and the tire together and shift it and put it to a car, then we get a smooth and safe ride. Likewise, if we combine both tire and rim, we get a new product to a car, which makes us safe. Likewise, combination reaction is also one thing where two reactants are combined and forms a product. It is called a synthesis reaction. We are going to synthesize a new thing from the two existing things which we have. The combination reactions may occur between metals and non-metals, and between two non-metals, or between two elements, or between two compounds. These all together, between metal and non-metal, or between two metals, or between two compounds, or between an element and a compound, all these together give a new product, that is one product. So they say that combination reaction is a reaction where two elements are combined and form a new product. Examples of combination reaction: when 2 moles of sodium reacts with chlorine to form a 2 moles of sodium chloride. Here it is an example for